Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to assemble this chair from I bought from my local warehouse here. It cost me $55, and it's a Shuanghu brand. And I thought this was a V. It's actually a U. It took me a while to search for it on Amazon. This is the warehouse I bought it from. You buy Amazon returns, and they got a bunch of these. And I got this for, like I said, $55, and I show you how I assemble this, and one issue I had with it while assembling. All right, let's do it. It's kind of weird. I look at all the mailing here. It came from China. They went to New York. Then it got delivered to a different company. They got sent back to Amazon. Then it went to the warehouse, and from New Jersey all the way here to California. So it's been all over the place, this box. And you know, I paid $55 for this, and if you count the shipping cost from China to New York to Amazon to the customer, back to Amazon, go to the warehouse, then travel to California, it costs more than the chair. Anyway, it says do not use it says here do not use a knife to cut the box, so we're gonna use the knife because I'm a pro. We say not to use the knife, but if you look at the box, there's nearly nothing to cut. So inside here is the foot. Looks brand new. It is brand new. So I'm gonna assemble this. So I'm gonna show you how I assemble this. Hopefully there's an instruction how to do it. And I believe this is the headrest. Oh no, this is the footrest. The footrest. Fit nicely. Amazon returns. Amazon return receipt. Wonder why the return looks like it never opened. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. I'm waiting. Knife! There's the back. Nice fabric. Not leather, but who cares, right? Nice. Big seat. Where's the seat? I wonder if it was taped before. Alright, the instruction how to do it. There's a headrest. Do that later. First the hardware. Hardwares are over here. And the armrest. Adjustments. And more for this. Let me read up on the manual. So alright, first thing we need to do is assemble the bottom. This one goes here. This one locks in here. Put the leg in, you go up. You push down. Then there you go. Leg is in here. Alright. Now we flip it upside down. Now we put the casters. think we just put this in. 1, 2. Three. Careful with your fingers. 4. So there's 5 wheels, plastic wheels. 5. Now we flip it over and put this thing, the gas lift. It's oily in there. How does it lock though? It's locked? You'll see. Maybe the weight will just hold it down. Anyway. Okay, that's in. Next, I'm gonna wipe my hands down because I got oil on it. Alright, so I got the seat over here. So we flip it over. Put the front in front of you. That way we have the same orientation. So we're gonna put the, what you might call this, the mechanism right here. So there's 2 screws here and 2 screws here. So we're gonna remove those screws. And this 2 should go here. There's 2 screws there, 2 screws here. I don't think it matters which side this is, which. They look like the same orientation to me. Alright, so we'll do this one first. Here's the tools you need. There's the Allen wrench / screwdriver. I think these are extras, and 2 Phillips head screws. Alright, so let's take care of this one first. Take out all the screws and put it back. Yep, wrong side. Amateurs. Should use my power tool, it would be faster. Let me get my power tool. Alright, remove the screws. So much better. Let's do this one first. Line that up. Fortunately, I can't do that, so I just use this. I'm gonna hand tighten it. So I've got a better Allen wrench, so I can reach there and tighten it some better. So this is done. Now we do the arm. So remove the screws. Oops, by the way. Surprised there's no washer in this thing. Next, we're gonna put these things here, right here. So remove these four. Made out of plastic, so I don't know how well that holds. We'll see. Put it by hand. Alright, now that we got this thing here to hold the footrest, we're going to insert the footrest there, this way. The vinyl part this way, because when you flip it over, it's going to go like this, and it's going to hold. Alright, that's it. Lay that down. So you put the footrest there, and to prevent it from sliding, you put this small screw. There's a hole over here. Tighten it. Good. Now it won't fall off. Right. And if you're wondering why this thing is hanging, because it's upside down. I'm gonna put this on the wheel now. Move this out of the side. Bring this back here. Now attach this in the hole. This one in this hole here. Alright, so here it is. I attached the leg already. It's the footrest. Flip it over. It slides in, all the way in. See that? And pull it up. Alright, so I'm going to attach the back now. I'm going to put the T here. Done tightening it. Now we're gonna put it on the chair itself. So bring it back. Alright, so this thing goes into the hole here. So you put this in there. And there's supposed to be a screw here that you can tighten. But I couldn't find it. Actually, I found it inside the box. Right here. And if you look at the list of accessories, this is must be part of it, because this, and I opened another box because I bought two of these, and this thing was attached here. So if I didn't have the other box, if I didn't open the other box, I would have taken a while to figure out what's this for. So you tighten that. If it's loose in your box, this is where it goes. Tighten that out. Now it should hold. See? That's the only issues I got so far. Or only issue I got, which is good. So the lumbar goes here. And for the neck, it goes on top. There's a little clip here. Turn this around. And there you go. Alright. This is to go for the gas lift to go up and down. This one to stop. If you push down, it'll lock the back. Push up and loosen it up. See? you can adjust it. The height, the lean, the back, how much angle you want it. But just lock, if you lock it down and loosen up. All right. Here's the chair. Everything's working fine. The downs works fine. The footrest is good. Get over. You have everything, all the parts are here. So this is the finished product. And if you want to see my review on it, I'll be uploading it on Friday. So like 4 days from now, should be up. All right. And this is the assembly on how this is how to assemble the Shuanghu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So chair, a gaming chair, I got from a local warehouse for $55. It's an Amazon return, refurbish, whatever you want to call it. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.